Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be creating the client success stories for a pitch deck template in PowerPoint. All right, let's get started. We're going to start with a new slide. So I'm going to come over to new slide and insert a blank slide. Next up is going to be a shape. Come over to shapes and under rectangles, we're going to use this rectangle. I'm just going to click to insert. Fill is going to be this orange color, which we've been using for the entirety of this project. I'm going to show you the color in a moment. The color is FF7A00. And I'm going to go over to shape outline and select no outline. I'm going to bring this rectangle to the top left corner of our slide. The width of this rectangle is going to be 1.7. As for the height, is just going to be the entire height of our slide. Hold Ctrl and Shift and then bring another copy and align it to the right side of your slide. I'm going to hold Ctrl and Shift to create another copy. Let's change the height of this rectangle to 5.65 and the width is going to be 14.8. And I'm going to just have it here for now. We're going to change some details eventually. Let's go over to fill, change the fill to black. I'm going to hold Ctrl and Shift to create another copy. So the width of this one is going to stay the same, but what we are going to do is change the height. The height is going to be 9.4. And now select all of these rectangles. Go over to align and we are going to select distribute horizontally so that they will have equal spacing across all of them. I'm going to select this one, hold Ctrl and Shift, create another copy of this and then align to the bottom of your slide. Select this top rectangle, go to shape fill and then we're going to change the fill to this orange color. Finally, I'm going to select this rectangle, hold Ctrl and Shift, create another copy and the height of this one is going to be 13.14 and I'm just going to align it to the bottom so we have the entire layout we're going to need for our slide. So now let's go from left to right to fill in the content where they need to go. We're going to start with the text box. Go over to insert, then text box. I'm going to go to notes. This text is going to be in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check that out. I'm going to copy and then paste. Select the entire text box. We're going to change the font to Montserrat. Size is going to be 36 and we are going to change the color of the text to white. I want the text to be on 2 lines. I want I want it to be client success stories like this. And I'm just going to align this text to the middle of our slide like this. And maybe I could move it, a little bit to the right. Instead of creating another text box, I'm just going to hold Ctrl and I'm going to bring another text box here. Let's change the size of this one to 28. And I'm going to come over to my notes, copy this text, and then I'm going to paste. Once again, instead of creating another text box, I'm going to hold Ctrl and Shift, create another one here. Change the size to 20. And I'm going to come to my notes, grab the content for case study 1, and then I'm going to paste. Select the entire text box and we are going to make it bullet points. I'm going to increase the width of this text box to have something like this. Let me move that so it's more aligned to the center. Could move this one to give it a bit more space and then just move the entire thing like this. While I have this two selected, I'm going to hold Ctrl and Shift to create another set of copies so that we can add in the content for this other section. This is going to be case study 2. I can just modify it instead of pasting, and I'm just going to grab this content and then paste. So we have the contents for our two um, case studies. This one, I think I'll just bring it back up so that it's going to fit. So this rectangle wants it to be a picture. So the field is going to be a picture. Let's go to insert pictures, select stock images, and I'm just going to give this a moment so it can load. I'm going to search for building, and once again I keep having, like, it takes a bit of scrolling to find the image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop recording, and then when I find the image I'll show you what image we're looking for. If you've been following along from the beginning of this entire course, you already know what image I'm going to use, but I'm just going to quickly find it and then come back. All right, this is the image I'm going to use, so I'm just going to select that, and then I'm going to insert. Give this a moment to download. I'm just going to bring this image and I'm going to resize it so that it's over this rectangle. Let me just increase it a bit. Now I'm just going to use that rectangle as a guide to reshape this, resize this image. Now let's come over to this picture format. Let's use the crop option so that we can crop this image and use that rectangle as a guide to crop our image. So I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to move this one. So I'm just going to click on escape, and I'm going to go over. While I'm selected on the picture format, there's this option for selection pane. So I can just figure out what rectangle is behind this image. So it's rectangle 6 for me. So I'll select rectangle 6 and delete it. All right, with that, we are done with the design for our slide. We'll just go ahead and add in our transition and animation for our text. Let's go over to transitions. We are going to use the wipe transition. Duration is going to be 2.25. Go over to animations, and I'm going to select this text first. It's going to float in. Select this. Okay, we've not changed the start. Start is going to be with previous. Select this text box, float in also. Go over to effect options. It's going to be by paragraph, and the start is going to be after previous. I'm going to select this one too. Animation is float in, start is after previous. Select this one to float in. Under effect is going to be by paragraph, and finally we're going to go to start. Start is going to also be after previous. All right, let's see what our slide looks like in the slideshow view, and I'm going to start that, and we're going to have our text coming one by one. And yeah, that is it for the client success stories for our pitch deck template in PowerPoint. If you want to watch the other videos in this series where I create all of the other slides, you can check out the description box below to the links to the videos or the link to the course playlist, or you could check out the video or playlist on screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.